I just wanted to give you a tutorial on how you can edit and manage blog posts yourself with your own WordPress site. So all blog posts in WordPress, they can have a title, a featured image, and a description. Yours probably follows a similar format even if it looks different. So this is how it looks on the front end of the site, how it looks to the rest of the world. For you as the WordPress admin, from the dashboard you have a post section and an area for posts. So right now we have one blog post in here, how to manage blog posts. As you can see, this is the one we can see right now on the website. If you want to make a quick edit, obviously you click edit, and you can amend the title and the URL quickly and easily from here. So if I hit update, the change to the name, if I refresh, there we go, it's updated really quickly this way. If you want to edit the text that is within the blog post, what you can do is just delete the content, and you can also add in new content as well. If you want to add an image into your content, you click on this plus symbol, then click on image, and then you can go to media library and add an image you have within your media library. I would recommend you add some alt text in here, so mountains can be whatever you want really. And then if you wanted to change the image that's already in here, then you can just change it from here. You can add and change the image from the same place. Also, if you want to add a category, so let's say this is in France, you can just add that it's in France and then hit update. And if you want to change the title again, you can just do my trip to France and click on update. And then, as you expect, once I refresh, it will go from saying how to manage posts to my trip to France, and the image will be of the grapes. Et voila, we have some grapes. So obviously you can click on this link here, and this would give you, this would be the page for that blog post where you can see the text, and you can add comments to this blog post. If you wanted to remove this, you can just deselect allow comments, hit updates, and then when you refresh, this will go. If you do have it added, people can leave comments, and this is a great way for visitors to leave comments and add new content to your website, which I would recommend having. So type in, hi there, this looks like a lovely place to go, and hit post comment. And this comment you can choose whether you want the comment to be automatically approved and on the site, or whether you want to approve it first before it goes on the website, which could be a good idea, as sometimes you get comments that are spam or you just don't want others to see. That's down to you. So let's go back to the blog post. At the moment we just have the one post here. Let's say we want to add another one. You can go back to the WordPress dashboard and go to the post section and click add new, or you can click add new from here. It does the same thing. So go new blog post. Let's add in a title. Actually, that's long enough. To change it from being paragraph text to being a heading, you can click on this area here and turn it into a heading. And maybe heading 2 is a bit big, but you can make it heading 3. And then below it, you want to add an image. You just click on plus, and then click on image, and then you can add an image from your media library. So let's pick this one here, and again I would recommend to add alt text and a description. So this looks like New York, so you can add in my trip to New York. And then if you want to change this one to heading as well, so just go heading, and I'll make this a heading 3 as well. And then if you want to add in text below this to talk about your trip, there you go. And then if you want New York to be your featured image, just go set featured image, then add in that image. And then I'd say you want to add in a new category for New York. Add category. And there we go. We've added that to New York. And hit publish. And then, as you would expect, we would have an image of grapes, and then if I refresh, there we go, there's one in New York. If you wanted this one of France to stay at the top, you would make it a featured or sticky blog post. So a quick way you can do that is go quick edit and go make this post sticky. And then if you refresh, the blog post of France will stay at the top, the most important one. Okay, so if I did a third post now, it wouldn't display at the top, it would display second, and then this one in New York would display third. If you wanted to delete a post, you can just click on bin. And then obviously if I refresh now, you would just have the one blog post. If you made a mistake, you can undo it. If you wanted to add a new category to both of these, so let's say you wanted both of them to be travel, you type in travel as a category, add new category, and then go all blog posts. And then to do bulk actions, you can click here to select both blog posts, and you can click edit, and then you want to select travel for both of these blog posts, and you can change whether you want to allow or disallow comments for both of them at the same time. So we want to allow both comments for both of them. Then as you can see, both posts have travel in them. So when you refresh, you can visit the post. But once you have categories set up on the front end of the site, you can select you can select travel for that, so that you can see all of the blog posts in that specific category. Okay, and yeah, that's just a short overview of blog posts that should help you get started. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll be happy to make another video that covers it in more detail for you. Okay, thank you very much.